Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Technology, and Autonomous Institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the automatic chocolate vending machine, how they are working, and their applications in embedded domain. So this is the explanation of automatic chocolate vending machine using microcomputer operating system (RTOS). Design steps are requirements, specifications modeling using UML, user mission language, automatic chocolate vending machine, hardware architecture. So the various requirements of machine can be purpose, input, signal events and notification, output, function of the system and design metrics. So the purpose of this ACVM are to sell chocolates through an automatic vending machine from which children can automatically purchase the chocolate. The payment is by inserting the coins of appropriate amount into a coin slot. Inputs, coins and user commands. Signals, events and notifications are each port generate an interrupt on receiving a coin at input. Each port interrupt starts an ISR which increases the value of amount. Each selected menu choice sends a notification to a system. Output of this ACVM are chocolates. If the money are added extra, then the refund amount will be deducted. Display of the menu for GUIS, time, date, welcome messages. Functions of the system are a child send commands to the system using graphical user interfaces. The GUIS consists of LCD, keypad and touch screen. The child insert the coin for the cost of chocolate and the machine delivers the chocolate. If the coins are of more amount than the cost of chocolate, then the excess amount is refunded along with the chocolate. USB wireless modem enables communication to ACVM owner. Design metrics, power dissipation as required by mechanical units and display. Process deadline, machine waits for a maximum of 30 seconds for the coins and the machine should deliver the chocolates within 60 seconds. So specifications, this figure shows the specifications of automatic chocolate vending machine. The above figure shows the basic automatic chocolate vending machine system, that is, into which a child insert the coin for buying a chocolate. Whenever a coin is inserted, a mechanical system directs each coin of value of rupees 1 or 2 or 5 to port 1, port 2 and port 5 respectively. When the port is receiving a coin, the port is generates an interrupt. The interrupt signal sent to the corresponding read ports for reading the coin value at the ports to increase the value of amount. The machine should have an LCD, keypad and touch screen. Let the interface port be called as port display. LCD displays the message in 3 lines, time and date in right and bottom side. ACVM has a bowl from where the buyer collects the chocolate through a port for deliver. Let this port be called as a port deliver. The buyer also collect the full refund or excess amount at the bowl. It should also possible to reprogram the codes in the system ROM or flash ROM whenever the following happens. The price of the chocolate increases, the message line or menus need to be changed, mission features change, MUCOS be the RTOS used in the ACVM. So these are the specifications modeling of automatic chocolate vending machine. UML is a unified modeling language for any general system for which object oriented analysis. UML modeling is by class direction, state diagram, object programs and sequence diagrams. Class diagram. A class diagram shows how the classes and objects of class relate. Rectangular boxes shows the classes and arrow shows the class hierarchy. In ACVM system, it can be modeled by 3 class diagram. One is ACVM devices, another one is a ACVM output ports and the third one is the ACVM task. So these are the explanations of ACVM devices, ACVM output port and ACVM task. Next, ACVM hardware architecture. The microcontroller 8051MX. This version enables the use of RAM and ROM larger than 64 kilobyte, 8 megabyte of ROM for application codes and RTOS codes for scheduling the task. 64 kilobyte RAM for storing temporary variables and stack, 64 kilobyte flash memory part of the ROM, store user preferences, contact data, user date of birth and answers of frequently answered questions. A 1 microsecond resolution timer is obtained by programming 8051 timers D0 interrupt service routine. 8 hardware interrupts with 8 interrupt vectors are used for servicing the hardware interrupts. A TCP IP port provides internet broadband connection through a wireless USB modem for remotely controlling the ACVM and for retrieving the ACVM status reported by the owner. Internal circuits are driven by a supply of 5 volt 50 milliampere for electronic and 12 volt 2 ampere for mechanical system. So thank you for watching my video. In this YouTube video, I discussed why we are using automatic chocolate vending machine, what are the various input and outputs ports of ACVM machine, then how the ACVM machine is working, then the state diagram of ACVM machine is discussed, also the hardware parts of ACVM machines also discussed. Thank you for watching my video.